Hi and welcome to the Cortex developer tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to show you how to edit and modify your website's look and feel, JavaScript and also the CSS and images. The first thing you're going to want to do is actually log into the back end of your Cortex website and click on this content and design button. Now if you haven't already set one up, go ahead and click this themes and choose a particular theme that you like within this area of the store. The one that we recommend to start out is this actual watch theme right here. It's the most detailed and vast theme of all of them. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on this design button and you'll be brought over to the design area within Cortex. This area at the top here has all of the themes that you've ever created or modified within the system. You can go back and look at these themes, edit their HTML, and also determine whether they are active or not. Setting an item to act or a theme to active will actually make all the other themes deactive, and it will become the new look of your website. So you can create new themes and new HTML without actually having to display that on the front end of your website. The other thing that's cool within this area is we have the smart banners, which we'll go over, which you've gone over in another tutorial, the intelligence tutorials. We also have the HTML layouts item here on the side, and these are the default HTML pages for every page within your site. We also have the theme CSS and the base CSS. These are just the two different CSS files that are included within your store automatically. We also have the image library, JavaScript, mobile CSS, and also mobile JavaScript. And then down here at the very bottom we have the sort order for each one of the items in your top level menu. Now if you don't want to include one of these items within the top level of your menu, you would simply go to this particular item. For instance, this is the gents watches category, and there's a field in that category when you're editing it. It's called show in top menu. You would go ahead and deactivate that, and that will no longer be included on this particular page. To change the sorter of these particular items, you simply drag them and drop them, and we'll come over here to our store and we'll see that ladies watches is the third category, and now it's actually the first category. So let's come back up here. One of the most important things about the Cortex system is downloading this developer documentation. This documentation goes over all of the design features within Cortex, and also covers a lot of the liquid templating engine, which is what Cortex uses to allow people to create and modify things within their site. So as you can see here, it goes over mobile, how that works, along with images, HTML layouts, tokens, and tokens are a key part of the liquid template engine. Let's go ahead and show you a quick token here and what they're about. Click this Edit HTML button for the particular header item within your HTML layouts. And as you can see here at the very top, we have this token called SEO title. Tokens are represented by the two brackets on both sides, and that tells Liquid that that needs to be a dynamic field within the system. As you can see here, we also have a token for SEO keywords, SEO description, and as you can see down here, another token for store.company name. These are just ways to tell the system that there's dynamic information that needs to be displayed within this particular area for this particular page on the store. There are many also other cool facets of the liquid template engine. You can actually write logic within the system. As you can see here, we're saying if user logged in is not true, then welcome and please log in or register. Now if they are logged in, it'll say welcome back, log out, or my account. So that's one of the really neat features of the liquid templating engine, is you can have tokens, and you can also contain logic, and you can also have loops within the system. So for instance, this particular item, we're actually looping through the menu and dynamically displaying each and every one of the items within the menu and the name of the actual menu item. And as you can see here, we have a bunch of tokens: item URL, item name, for this particular item, and also we have submenu items within this particular token as well. Again, this all is covered within the developer documentation for Cortex, and you can also go ahead and Google online Liquid Templating Engine to learn a little bit more about how it works. All of the tokens, like I said, are referenced within that developer documentation, so you can understand each and every token that you have within the Cortex system. Now, as you can see here on the side, we also have a list of default templates that are created when you choose a theme within Cortex. Let's come on over here and take a look at each one of these themes. This is the view order template. This is the templates that's registered after a user makes an order. This is the user template. This is the user page for how they modify their account information. This is the search page, what the search page looks like. Review page, which is the reviews on the actual product pages. This is the registered page, which shows what it looks like when a person registers for their account. This is the actual product template for all product pages within the system. This is a page item template, which is usually used for your blog pages. This is the page template, which is usually used for your content pages. The information template, which is default information that's rendered within the store. This is the checkout template, cart template for the checkout and cart areas within your store. This is the account area where users can go in to modify their account. And this is the home page and also a category template. These are the default HTML templates that come within the system. Let's say we want to create a new template based upon a product, or for instance a category that may need to look a little different within the Cortex system. So let's go ahead and name this template product 2, and we'll come down here and go throw in a little HTML. And we will bold this item and save and close it. As you can see here, now we have this product 2 template down here at the bottom, and we can come back in and edit more of the HTML, or we'll hit save, and we'll actually close this item. Now let's come back over to an actual product within the system. Edit this product. We'll include it on the Gents Watches category. And as you can see here, we're going to override the current theme template, which is currently set to product. And we're going to say, hey, let's do product 2. We'll come down here and hit save. We'll go to the Gents Watches. And as you can see, this template for this particular product says hello there, just like we said when we were editing the system. Now let's go back, edit this product, set the product to have the correct template, hit save, and now when we refresh this page, the real template for this particular product shows up. So once you've done that, you can come back over here to the design area, and again you can come over here to pages, and you can change the template for your particular pages right in here, and you can set these up to just about anything you want. So the next step when you're working within the Cortex system is to edit the CSS by clicking Edit CSS. Now there are two different CSS files, as I showed you back here. These are the theme and the base CSS. They're just two different areas where your CSS information is located. You can choose to include CSS in whichever file you want, but those are just the two different files. We also have the image library where you can come in here and you can browse and upload as many images as you want into the back end area of your website. And then you can go in and include them on your actual within the actual CSS here at the bottom. Now all images are actually stored at a unique location. that is actually at this location here. All images are actually stored at the files/images, and then whatever the name of your actual image is. And again, this is just a way to be able to access all of those images from the library. That's actually improper CSS, so we'll close it. You can also edit mobile or data, either the mobile CSS or the mobile JavaScript. Now, to actually turn off the mobile information for your website, you simply go up here to the settings, and you scroll down here and you check the hide mobile view. Now this will turn off all of the mobile HTML templates that you saw, and also the mobile JavaScript and CSS. So these edit mobile HTML, whenever you're editing the mobile HTML now, it will not render on the actual page because that's turned off. So for instance, this is good for things like responsive design and whatnot. So that basically concludes the quick overview for developers on how to develop within the Cortex system. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email us, support@cortexcommerce.com. Thank you.